I'm Daniel Fitz, and today we are going to burn some cheese puffs. The Food Kilometer Lab. We're gonna fill the can up. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through this. First, we have a beaker with 100 milliliters of water. We're gonna put this into the can. So now we have our can full of 100 milliliters of water. Let's set it on the alcohol burn stand. Now we have 3 Cheeto Puffs. We're going to get the mass in grams of each Cheeto Puff, 1 through 3. We'll go ahead and do that. Alright, the first Cheeto Puff is 2.45 grams. This one. The wind is blowing, but I got this outside. My mom's not going to be happy with it. Second Cheeto Puff is 2.44 grams. Third one is 2.17 grams. Alright, next we're going to, before we burn the Cheeto Puffs, we're going to measure the water in Celsius. So the initial temperature is 26.6 degrees Celsius. And as we burn the Cheeto Puffs, we're going to take the temperatures as we go. I've done this experiment in high school, and there's 9 temperatures. The Cheeto Puff did not last 9 temperatures for each temperature to be 15 seconds long. So we're probably going to get to about 5 or 6 temperatures before the Cheeto runs out. Once we burn the Cheeto Puffs, we're going to measure it again, get the grams, subtract it, see what the change in mass is, and then we're going to record the temperatures of the water as we go. We're going to get the highest temperature, and we're going to see the total change in temperature from the initial to the highest. So I'm going to go ahead and do the experiment. And I'm going to do the rest of the calculations on my own time, so my video is not too long. So, what I'm going to do, take the Cheeto Puff. I made a little stand with my my paper clip. I won't get too high. Alright. Hope it lights. It's kind of windy, so. Alright, the cheese puff is on fire, as you can see. I'm going to start taking temperatures. See, it's burning pretty fast. So. suck today. See if we can get it to go straight up. There we go. I think I might have stuck the Cheeto Puff a little too far down. Alright, the Cheeto Puff is out. Didn't burn all the way. I think I might have stuck it down too far on the paper clip, but it got up to 36.9 degrees Celsius. Now what we want to do is make sure we're back at 0. See it burn. We're going to see the mass of it. Alright. 1.02 grams. So this Cheeto Puff is history. Next one, I'm going to shoot Cheeto Puff number 2. Stick it farther up. See if it'll burn better. I'm going to go ahead and move this to the corner. See if we can get out some of this wind. Alright, second Cheeto Puff. Set it up higher. Oh yeah. Alright. Temperature of the water is 25.8 degrees Celsius. We'll go ahead and light it. See if we're going to light it from the bottom. See if we can get the whole Cheeto to burn this time. There we go. Burning pretty fast, so we're going to take the time. Probably going to do it every 5 seconds. Come on, wind. There we go. Oh yeah. It's way better without the wind. You see the flames are hitting the can. This is a good Cheeto. Alright, so the top, I'm going to let this sit on the top for a second. which you can see there's black liquid. It looks to be what Cheeto left. The highest temperature is 34.7. Let that water cool down for a second. We'll get started on the next one. We'll go ahead and, it's not too hot. We'll measure the mass of the Cheeto if it's obviously broken in half. Let's see if we can get all of it. It is 1.05 grams. So another Cheeto down. Alright. The third Cheeto, the initial temperature is 33.2 degrees for the water. Go ahead and stick this in here. Let's see if it's going to stay. It ain't going to stay. Get the right angle. Alright, that's going to work. Alright, 33.2. Let's start this up. So we start, the wind starts blowing. Cheeto's on fire. There we go. The wind will stop blowing. We'll get some temperature down. Almost got me. As you can see, this Cheeto Puff is burning pretty well too. Once we get out of the wind, it's pretty solid bed. They'll burn 10 times better. Yeah. 37.3 is the highest temperature. I hope you don't mind, but I got Cheeto stains all over my activity lab sheet. So, like I said, I did this in high school. We only got about 5 temperatures today. We got 6 because the Cheeto Puff is burning, and you can't really do 15 seconds. So it's really just about a 5-second. You gotta check it about every 5 seconds. Which they burn longer, but obviously they don't. So I got 5 temperatures for each Cheeto. We'll measure the mass of this one, and you can see it's pretty well burnt. It's actually popping. 0.84 grams. So now you just don't have a calculator out here. I do, it's in my pocket. So we're just gonna do each Cheeto Puff. And there it goes. So the first one is 2.45 initial minus 1.02. So 1.43 gram change. Second one is 2.44 grams initial minus 1.05 is 1.39 grams change. The other one was third one 2.17 grams initial, 8.4 equals 1.33 grams. Number 6, you take your initial temperature and you go to your highest temperature. You subtract the initial minus the highest. So first Cheeto is started at 26.6. Alright, so 36.9 minus 26.6 gives you 10.3 degrees Celsius of change. Cheeto Puff number 2, 34.7 highest minus 25.8 gives you 8.9 degrees Celsius increase. Number 3 started out at 33. Highest temperature was 37.3. Gives you 8.1 increase. The volume of water in milliliters, 100 on all three. The mass of water is in grams. 1 milliliter equals 1 gram, so still 100 grams. Well, that's the experiment. I'm going to do my calculations on my own, and you'll be receiving this video and my lab activity sheet soon. Thank you.